trying to do all this promo. All documents I use for my content is available on my Patreon. What's up, True Team? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, ST's #1 urban blogger and the queen of paperwork. Listen, Durk said he ready to come home. Okay, he said he ain't playing with y'all. Okay, Dee and the rest of y'all, he want to come home. But they say, yo, pump your brakes now. They may not got a lot on you, but I got to make sure we go through what we go through so I can go home too. Y'all may be like, what, Mickey? Yeah, let's just get into it.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. Y'all like, dang, Mickey, you just on the screen. It's a lot going on tonight. I got a lot of videos to do. However, and it's tax season. And if y'all didn't know, your girl is a tax preparer, okay? So y'all make sure y'all tap in with the tap in. All right, now that we got my little promo out of the way, let's get into it, okay? So, Lil Durk's Codefendants, okay? And I'll be the one to point out, since everybody's going to point out, Bonnie's name is not mentioned, technically, in this file, right? And before we get into it, I forgot to say, while I'm trying to do all this promo, all documents I use for my content is available on my Patreon. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon. Now that we got all that out of the way, okay? So Lil Durk's co-defendants have officially agreed with the government to push the trial back to May 4th, 2026. Just when I was trying to figure out the logistics to go out there. Hey, we got time, y'all, to come up with that money and fly me out, okay? Find me a sponsor, but hold on now. Lil Durk said, no. We going in 2 weeks. What y'all talking about? Well, while the co-defendants, DeAndre Wilson, Brian Lindsay, Asa Houston, all signed off on waiving their speedy trial rights, Durk said, nope, I ain't joining no continuance. I want the trial to move forward as scheduled. Now, this is the breakdown in this document, okay? Again, we already went over it's complex. It's multiple defendants with different amounts of evidence against the defendant or lack thereof, but they're all together as co-defendants. They're all going to trial together. Nobody has been severed, okay? The charges are serious, okay? We got murder for hire, resulting in death, stalking, resulting in death, and firearm offenses, okay? Discovery, you already know, we done heard about all the gigabytes, hundreds, okay, of digital evidence they got to go through. 300,000 or 30,000 pages of records, okay? And the government estimates that it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks just for them to put on their case, not including if any of the defendants will put on the case. Hey, that's a lot, okay? Now, I guess a lot is weighing on Durk because he is detained. He done went up for bail multiple times. Denied, okay? And this is technically the third continuance because how many times y'all have heard me talking about flying out there? Each time something comes up and it get pushed away, that's why I be afraid to book flights because I don't know about y'all. I can't wait 10 day business days to get my refund. I need my money now. I ain't got it like that. For real, okay? Now, obviously, the government say, yeah, we good with it, Judge. Go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Now, despite all that, Durk is standing on business. Well, Speedy Right business, because he said, I ain't waiving that, okay? And made clear on record that he do not consent to the delay. However, I mean, at the end of the day, if you ain't severed, you can stand on what you want. If the judge rules on it, your speedy rights take a back seat, technically. Anyway, so because this is a joint case, like I said, nobody has been severed, Ronnie, nobody. Okay, the court can still delay it. Like, there's no way around it. Okay, so at the end of the day, Mickey Truth, what you saying? What I'm saying is, trial is not taking place at the end of the month. Pretty sure the judge is gonna go with it. Lil Durk gonna either have to file a motion to sever. Pretty sure they're gonna deny that. But technically, is there a way to take Lil Durk off the case with everybody else and try him separately? Probably not. I don't know. Y'all get in the comments, let me know. Could they try the other defendants by themselves without Durk? Because remember, just a couple months ago, Diddy wanted it. Diddy wanted to be by himself away from Durk. But what if Durk get away from them? Could it go that way? Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, I'll pull up on your girl, Mickey Truth. I'm tired. I'm out. Y'all catch me on the next one. Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah,
I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from.
Hey, this your girl, Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina. #1 blogger in South Carolina. Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon. What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? About to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around. And then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in to get your massage. So let's take a tour. So it was located in a nice business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does, and let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed, okay? I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay?
Hey guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner-operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage.
How can they follow you?
I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook, and if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments.
Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to party. So I catch y'all on the next one.